In today's video, I am going to teach you how to register a domain on Squarespace 7.0. Registering a domain is one of the key steps in setting up a professional website. A domain is the address people type into their browser, like yourname.com. In this walkthrough, you will register a new domain directly from your Squarespace dashboard using Squarespace 7.0. To begin, log into your account dashboard on Squarespace. When you are signed in, you should be looking at your main dashboard page. This is where Squarespace organizes everything you need for your site. Take a moment to make sure you are in the right account and that you can see the left sidebar menu. Then we will move into the Settings area. Next, click Settings in the left sidebar menu. On screen, you should see Settings listed in the menu, usually with a gear icon or the word itself. Opening Settings is important because the domain tools are located there. After clicking Settings, you will be taken to a page with categories for different site options. Now click Domains and Email under the Website section. Look for the section name Website, and then find Domains and Email beneath it. This area is specifically designed for managing your web address, whether you are connecting an existing domain or registering a new one. Go ahead and select Domains and Email so you can access the domain registration controls. From there, click Domains. You might see a domains management page that includes options related to your current domains and new domain actions. Clicking Domains is the step that takes you from general domain settings into the actual domain registration workflow. Once you are on that page, you will be ready to search for the domain you want. At this point, click Get a Domain. This will open a domain search field where you can type the domain name you are interested in. Type your desired domain name into the search bar and press Enter. After you press Enter, Squarespace will search for availability. Watch the results area because it will show you whether your exact domain name is available and which variations might be available. When you see your chosen domain extension option, click Add to Cart next to it. The extension is the part after the dot, like .com or other available options. Adding to cart is what reserves the selected domain option for checkout. Take a moment to confirm that the extension matches what you intend to register, since the purchase will be tied to that selection. After you add it to your cart, click Proceed to Checkout in the side panel. This side panel should slide open or display a checkout button that moves you to the next stage. Proceeding to checkout is where you will review everything before submitting payment. This is also the stage where Squarespace may ask you for confirmation details. Now verify your contact details. On the checkout screen, Squarespace will often show the information that will be associated with the domain registration. Make sure the details are correct and up to date, since domain registrars use this information for important notifications. Then enter your payment information in the payment fields. After payment details are entered, click Save and continue to move forward. Finally, confirm and purchase. You will likely see a confirmation screen that summarizes the domain, the selected extension, and the order details. Review the information carefully at this point. Once you are satisfied that everything looks correct, click Confirm and Purchase to complete the registration. And that covers everything you need to know. If the purchase is successful, your domain registration should be complete and visible in your Squarespace domain area, ready for you to connect it to your website.